removal of sebaceous filaments we can see here in this video. Fine sterile needle being used, being pressed gently, and the sebaceous filaments coming out here. You can see most common sites around the nose. Easy removal procedure, and not advisable to do it regularly as the filaments are present naturally over there and tends to form again and again. Here is how the removal procedure looks like. The erythema due to the pressure that you can see will disappear on its own after some time. Harsh cleansers to be avoided after the procedure. You can use gentle ones for the next 5 to 7 days to avoid the skin irritation. You can see the open pores as well around the cheeks. Sebaceous filaments present all over the nose. In case of any questions, you can ask me in the comment section.